What's up, guys? It's your boy, the Ceiling Fan Collector. We're going to show you my ceiling fan collection. So, starting with this one, I've taken it apart. It's a project fan. I'm putting some new wires in it. Trying to make it look good. I got it straightened out in the middle and stuff. It's an SMC industrial fan. We have another one here, which is another SMC. I have 3 SMC fans. 4, actually. Yeah, that's SMC, which is got 3 blades. The blades are right there, and the blades to that one has 2 blades because one broke. And then we have a Hubble Breezeway Hugger. This one I got to reinstall the pull chain. Its blade brackets there. It's missing one because it broke. It's in here in the fan parts cupboard. I have this hugger, which is another SMC. Then we have another Hubble Breezeway, which I've been working on. We have this unknown fan. If you can find out what type of fan this one is. I do not even know. Then we have this one with the 4 blade brackets. Its blades are the wooden ones right here. Stop this one. It's these ones here. The good blades, the wooden blades, plywood. The better than the particle board blades is tougher. The other two sets of metal blades. The reason one of them broke is it had got too much rust on it, and then until the rust got completely through the bracket and it snapped off. This one had a broken metal blade bracket. It's in there. I put it in there to store it. This one here doesn't have any blades anymore. They broke. This one doesn't either. What happened to its blades? They got wet, they got soggy, and I threw them away. They were cane blades, they snapped. I snapped them all. One snapped first from being have too much sogginess to it. Yeah, so I broke the rest. Because they would have broken anyway because of the sogginess. It would have broken the metal brackets. These metal brackets, they can't break. If you kick it, if you fall on one of these, it will snap pretty easy. It's the sheer force, and this area is a weak point. This is where it's welded together. Sometimes these inner parts here can break the design trims. But this one, I took the blade bracket off for more storage purpose. So I can have this one spinning sometimes, because sometimes I have it spinning. It's got blades on. It spins for a couple minutes and then I let it stop. I have another fan on my ceiling, which is I forgot the name to it. Shut the door. It keeps opening up. Here's low. Actually, I'm going to reverse it real quick. Do it on summer. Go the other way. Start on low. I'm going to speed this thing up. Slow. Now it's on low. Blows a good amount of air on high. Here's medium. And high. Runs pretty fast. It's a pretty good fan. Let's reverse this thing. There's a switch on the side of the fan. Flip that. She should go the other way. It's a good old fan. I keep it on in winter at the moment. It's in the middle of winter anyway. As you can tell, there's some fan parts on the windowsill. And let's turn it off. The light doesn't work. When it gets fixed, I'm going to put this bulb in it. It's colour changing. I'm actually put it on this. I'm going to put it on white. So in there, I'm going to make it so it's just storage cupboard. There's a old wire case hanging here. It's got nothing in it. I'm going to close this door. I'm in the middle of cleaning up. That's why my room's a mess. Don't mind the mess. Don't bully me. Don't go bitching and crying about my setup. There's another fan part behind there. There's 2 mounting brackets to the 2 huggers. Stop that. I just cleaned this fan. Just dusted it off. It was dusty. It's better for the fan if you clean it. Don't introduce water to these blades. You will damage them. They will get soggy. These ones here are only made out of particle board. The plywood blades are stronger, but particle board, it's better when the particle board. Got 2 fidget spinners. It's 2021. I still have fidget spinners. Had them for quite a while now. It's quite raining out there. We have not packed that pool away. It's gonna be moldy. Here's this fidget spinner. I'll show you too much because that's so 2017. All they do is spin. All ceiling fans do is spin. I just got a new pillow, by the way. This is just different. That's something that sounds like it just broke. In that cupboard we have some parts that I use to work on fans and parts to put them together. Not the blade brackets, just move this T-slip to a Casio keyboard because I play piano. Let's open that up. We have some stator bearings and canopies and motor shrouds, wires, fan light. I built this cupboard just out of particle board and stuff. This bit of particle board is going to be turned into fan blades. It's got holes in it now, so I might not be able to. Let's close this. I'm hoping by the end of next week I have another fan sitting right here. And I have another set of blades. Cane blades, hopefully. I want a ceiling fan with cane blades. I don't really like cane blades, but part of my collection, I'm a ceiling fan collector, so I need one with cane blades. I do. The cane blades actually make them look nice. Now this fan, if you turn it like this, it actually stays up here. If you turn it like this, it goes to there. I'm going to finish the video. I'm going to fill up my drink bottle because I need a drink bottle in this room. Because at night, if it gets hot, I like to get a drink of water. Well, if it gets hot, I turn the fan on. Well, back when I used to not have a fan, if it gets hot, I would drink some water. I used to have a stand fan, pedestal fan. But if it gets too hot, especially sometimes in the winter, I just turn it on medium. It runs for the rest of the night. Unless it gets too cold, I turn it off. Some of the lamination's coming off. It's alright. I don't really care. It looks nice. Still looks perfect. Thanks for watching. By the way, just to tell you, both of these remotes work to the light. It's strange. That's why I'm keeping both of them. That's to my old LED strips that I used to have around that window frame. Thanks for watching.